Throughout this video, I'm going to show you how you customize your website to make it look and feel the way you want it to. So first, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control panel for your website. If you have a look on the left hand side, you'll see a menu bar. This is where you add your pages and your posts and you make the nitty-gritty changes. However, I'm just concentrating on the look and feel of your site at the moment, so it's the theme of your site. If you have a look at your site at the moment, it's pretty boring. We can change this quite quickly by changing the theme that we're using. A theme are pre-built templates of websites that we can drag and drop different features into. If you see at the moment, when I go to Appearance, I click Themes, there's a few already uploaded onto my hosting. However, I want to see what more there is, so I click the Add button. When I click the Add button, it auto-populates with the themes that are available on wordpress.org. So I can scroll through this and see what's available. If it's a business theme, if I'm looking for a blog, if I'm looking for a news feed type of if I'm looking for a newsfeed type of website, or maybe I want to see if there's a WooCommerce shop, or if I want to see if there's a WooCommerce shop available, if I want to sell products or services online. They're all available here and they're free. I'm going to concentrate on one that I think is one of the best. It's called Wordpress and it's the most simplistic theme out there, and it's really easy to get going, but it looks phenomenal. And you can get up and running with this theme in about 30 to 40 minutes. It has all the features that you need: home, about, services, pricing, your theme format, your blogging page, your contact, and it also has a shop if you need it as well. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pick this theme. So how do we pick a theme? Well, what we do is we just activate it. So what we do is we just install and then activate it. Once you've activated it, you're going to be prompted to do certain tasks to make sure the theme works the way it's meant to. The first task is to download the plugin Contact Form 7. So just click the Begin Installing button, then hit Install, and then once that's done, just activate the plugin. Then go to the left hand side of the page and there's a menu button called Wordpress Theme. Just click on that and then it'll show you how to install the rest of the theme. There's step-by-step documentation that we're going to go right through now. So just click on Wordpress Documentation and then it goes Wordpress Installing Demo Data. Here we're brought to a page that has a plugin that we have to download. This plugin allows us to import the demo data for the WordPress theme. So this is to ensure that the WordPress theme looks like the preview we saw earlier. So if we download that plugin, then what we do is we go back to our WordPress site, we click the Appearance button, Add Plugin, and then we just upload that zip file. It's as simple as that. Once that's installed, we have to activate the plugin. And then we follow the step-by-step guide. So we go back into a menu at the side, click the Appearance button, and then pick the Wordpress theme. Then there's a Demo Content tab. If we go to the bottom, we'll see Import Demo Data option. We just click that button, refresh our page now, and look, our site looks exactly like the theme demo site. Perfect. So our job now is to customize the site to make it look and feel the way we want it to. So we add our own content, our own images, and we make it our own. So I've just showed you the easy way of putting a new theme on your website. What I'm going to show you now is how you upload a theme, both free and paid. So there's a lot of free themes available on wordpress.org. And also paid themes that are available on themeforest.com. So all you have to do is choose the theme that you like and download the file. So when you download the file, it's a zip file, and you simply just go to your WordPress site, click Appearance, pick Theme, pick Upload Theme, and you just upload your zip file there. And then you can choose to activate that theme. It's as simple as that.